Sunlight fell and reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow.
Sir! Malaglag ka dyan, ha?
I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through.
Wait for Papa. Ano yung naka-isle?
Come on! Ayan, nag-gana. Saan na tayo? Nagawa ni nanay din. Ano, punta tayo sa duli. Ay, may bata sa gitna. Ito, tong batang to, biglang ano to, yung maharang to. Si Arkin. Nakakahinga. Di ba tayo tapos? Pagod na ako, te. Ayoko na. Nakikipagkarero ko eh. Napagod ba kayo? They say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through.
It's a wide ocean, size and motion. It's been a while now since that old town, down by the water, picking stones from the ground.
Take me home to the friends I've always known. Take me home, back to the place where I belong.
guys. Ang challenge to, maglakad na nakapambahay. Maglakad na naka-shorts at naka-chinelas sa Baguio. Cafe in the sky. Kaya pala sabi ni Sik, nasa bahay lang tayo. Ayun o, papuntang La Union. Tara na. Lakad na tayo papuntang La Union. Ano, balik tayo? Sayang, kala ko galakad tayo papuntang La Union.
Take me home to the friends I've always known. Take me home back to the place where
Ito sinising mo. Sito na rin. Shinchan.
I will tread down a lonesome track, set my eyes on the wild and won't look back. I will follow where my heart reacts. Venture out to the great unknown, find a place where I can feel alive again. Throw caution to the wind. I'll find my
Muntik na.
I'll find my feet on the way. Climbing up from the valley below, seeing places and faces I've never known. I will follow to the open road. Through the trees till I see the sun. Now I know that I can feel alive again. Throw caution to the wind. I'll find my feet on the way. 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 Step by step I come alive. Lift my hand up.
Wala lang dito bro, nandito ka pala.
Dito ako lumaki.
Dito ka lang.
Baka to lang gold.
I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way.
Sige ka to. Wala. sumasagot. Boring yung mga.
Sumasagot?
We found our place on the branch of an old gum tree. Our feet would sway to a voice in the breeze. And birds would sing on the banks of a narrow stream. These memories will stay with me.
Ay, si Tom yun. Picture ka din?
We made our way to a hill beside the sea. With salt in the air and sand on our feet. We
Saan tayo?
felt the sun
Diplomat?
as it burned upon our skin. These memories will stay with me. Now I'm far away. These memories stay